Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make tomatillo salsa. I love the salsa. It is just, there's something about it that's a lot different than using tomatoes, and I absolutely love it. So if you want to see exactly what I'm talking about and how incredible it is, make sure you keep on watching. Alright, so to make this, you're going to need obviously some tomatillos. You're going to need garlic that's still in the, covered. You're going to need half an onion. These are Granny Smith apples. Jalapeno, you want the seeds out. You're going to need the juice of a lime, salt, pepper, cilantro, and some olive oil. You are also going to preheat your oven to 375. Alright, this is very, very simple. We are going to drizzle everything on this baking sheet with some olive oil. Just a tiny drizzle. I don't like to drench it, but sometimes I do because it just pours right out. And then we're gonna salt and pepper everything. And it's really important that you use kind of a sour tart apple in this because it gives you that nice little tang with all the flavors combined. Let me tell you, it's amazing. So what we're going to do is we're going to coat everything in our olive oil and we're going to put it into our oven to roast for about, I would say 20 minutes, 25 minutes, or until it's like brown and charred looking. That's really what you're looking for. And then I'm going to meet you here once everything cools. Okay, everything was in the oven for about 20 minutes and now it's nice and soft and squishy. All I did was remove the casings from the garlic. They literally just slipped right off. Now we're going to put everything into our, I'm using a blender. You can use a food processor, whatever works for you. I already added in the cilantro. I just threw in my garlic. Just kind of throw everything in there. Ooh. It should be nice and soft, but you might have to baby it a little bit with some zhuzhing here and there. You know what I mean? Let me wash my hands. Okay. Then we're going to do salt and pepper to taste. So I start out with a little bit, and before I finish, I kind of taste it to see if I want to add more. And then, of course, we're going to use lime juice. Gonna cover it, let it go, and you're good to go. I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope you like it. That's the most important thing. I hope you like it. So let me know what you think down below. Let me know what else you want to see, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.